Hello guys, today part 3 of the Italjet engine. Today we are hopefully gonna assemble it fully and start it for the first time. So first I'm gonna start by, I also designed this and 3D printed this to place the seals perfectly. We're gonna start by installing the seal on the ignition side. Okay guys, I cleared the whole CVT and prepared it. Unfortunately, I cannot install the Doppler pulley because this is wider and also the pins are thinner on this one, so I need to buy the original from Minarelli. I will install it afterwards.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 won't you let the light shine through?
Is ready. We're gonna start the bike now for the first time. It's me, guys, Poseidon. I just wanted to add, as you can hear, the scooter is very loud, which was loud as 50cc as well. I don't know why this Pro replica it sounds like this on this engine. It's crazy. So I took it out, I checked the wool, it was like brand new. So I had to edit the silencer. I drilled double the holes and repacked the wool back together. Now it sounds like a 50cc. It's very nice to ride. Also, another problem was the pulley, as you can see. So we bought one from Minarelli, original Minarelli, and we installed that. And also, I did install a new water pump, electric water pump. So basically, the cooling is upgraded because this one was dead, as it always does with this cheap China shit that does not work. Yeah, that was fixed. I also run in the scooter, 220 kilometers, very easy. Basically, after that, I started tuning it with the 17.5, but it was wanting to rev like 12,000 revs, which is crazy for this exhaust. I don't know. The engine is so well prepared and everything, so it just wants to rev, but this carburetor it just does not work on this RPM. So we have to buy 21 carburetor or 19, and we also have to buy some parts for it so we can tune it and the CVT. And after that, when I finish tuning it and everything, I will just record like a preview video and onboard footage when we are finished. So the next part will come probably like 1 month, I don't know. See you then.
U komentari fă za respekt za majster.
Što zbori detale, no. Keď stigneme do paljenja, to až keď kažeme guys, akého paljenja ova kanta. Ne znam jaz kako daleko je.
Še ne gosti še zbori, ne. Znaš kako pregledi ima?
0.
Da, nu. Ti go šernem na story.
Ajte go hejtera da slušate. Ne da Bože ovaka da go šernemo, ako ke zbori on, ke go šerne. A ovaka nema da go šerne, zašto je hejter? Kako što možete vidite, kamera menot nije hejter.
Izgrebaja si ga.
Bato, utepali se bato.